Welder dies after being electrocuted in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was reportedly electrocuted after he became entangled in electrical wires at his house in Bernard Lodge in Catherine on Thursday. Dead is 39-year-old Andy Rodney. According to reports reaching Links 007 TV News, is that Rodney, who is a welder, was conducting repairs on a tractor shortly after 12 p.m. Thursday when electrical wires fell on him, electrocuting him in the process. Shortly after, Rodney's teenage son found him lying unresponsive and entangled him from the wires. He was assisted to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.